Order up, perfecting your requests in English dining. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve into an exciting topic: ordering food. Specifically, we will focus on making requests in English. This is a crucial skill that you'll need whether you're dining at a restaurant or ordering food online. So let's make sure your food orders are perfect every time. In English, making requests typically follows a polite format, especially when you're ordering food. The basic structure is: can, could I have, may I have, I'd like. For instance, you might say, could I have a glass of water, please? Or, I'd like a slice of pizza. Remember, it's important to always say please and thank you to maintain politeness. There might be times when you'd like to change a part of your meal, such as the side dish, or to exclude an ingredient. Here, phrases like, instead of can, could I have, can, could you replace with, I'd like without, can be very handy. For example, instead of fries, could I have a salad? Or, can you replace the chicken with tofu? Remember, it's important to be clear and polite when modifying your order. If you have specific dietary needs, it's essential to communicate them. Here are some phrases you might use. I'm allergic to, I can't eat, I don't eat, for dietary restrictions. Do you have any options? When asking for specific types of food like vegetarian, gluten-free, etc. For example, you might say, I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any? Or, do you have any vegetarian options? It's crucial to communicate your dietary needs clearly to avoid any potential health issues. Well, there you have it, folks. Now you know how to make requests when ordering food in English. Whether you're at a fast food joint or a fancy restaurant, these phrases should help you get exactly what you want. Practice these structures and phrases, and soon you'll be ordering food in English with confidence and ease. We hope you found this video useful. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to learning any language is consistency and practice. Until next time, happy learning!